Amazon seller certifications can help you increase your sales by 10%. Let me show you the data and how to get it in today's video. So first, I'm going to show you what a seller certification is, and if you check out one of our clients, the Woobles, you're going to scroll down and see seller certifications, minority owned business right here. So there's different types of seller certifications you can get. It shows up on your listing. It also shows up for B2B customers, so business Amazon buyer accounts. So we can also check all the different certifications you can get. And let me zoom in right here. Small business, LGBT, minority owned, woman-owned small business, SBA certified. So there's a lot, veteran owned, right? There's a lot of different certifications you can get, and then businesses will be buying from you. They can actually filter it through Amazon if you have a certification and specifically buy it from you. So we can also see right here, Amazon sent us an email to show us the data, if it actually does increase sales. And the Amazon does have a lot of emails where they'll give you free certifications, right? And they said in 2024, business customers with guided buying policies, preferred certifications, spent more than 400 million in products sold. And you can see certifications. Sellers who added a certification saw an increase in order volume by 9.6% and sales of 10% from business customers. So they do have actual data that's saying that this will increase your sales, and there's pretty much no negatives, there's only positives to this. So you might as well go ahead and get some certifications, right? Amazon business customers prioritize purchasing products from 889 and national diversity certified sellers, and as a result, your listings are viewed by 3 times more business customers. So it's essentially, they're saying it could potentially increase your sales by 3x. Amazon offers a free 1-year certification through Supplier Gateway in only a few simple steps. So pretty much that's directly from Amazon. So check your email if Amazon already sent you this to see if you can do it. But if you want to get your own certifications, what you're going to do is you're going to log into Amazon. You're going to go to B2B. And then you're going to go to certifications, right? Just make sure you're a professional seller if you don't see this, and you might need a trademark enrolled, but you should have a certification section. You can see right now we already have the small business certification, but you can add certifications right here if you wanted to add more. And then here is, you can do introduction, manage your credentials, explore certification agencies, so you can contact other agencies that can help get you certified. The more certifications you have, potentially the more B2B sales you'll get. So if you are selling more to B2B, like this could be a good product for a business, like a school, and then they'll buy it in bulk so everybody in art class can make the Woobles kit. Those are B2B customers or corporate America, things like that. So that's an example on how to get it. In my opinion, it's worth it. It just takes a few hours just to get these certifications, so it's not that bad. Take time, maybe on a weekend, to get it. And that's it for today's video. Do you currently have any seller certifications on Amazon? If so, have they impacted your sales? Let us know in the comments just so everybody else can see. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, helping you get certifications, advertising, design, increasing your sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us help you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.